Hey there, how are you? So let's talk about forming healthy habits as opposed to using your strong will, right? Because using your will and you it seems like, yeah, I should do this cold turkey, I should stop eating, I should start exercising, blah blah blah. But research shows that this is actually not the right way to do this. The right way to do this is not to invoke your will because it's too much effort consistently, right? It's too hard, and you rather be putting your those efforts into other things. What research shows works is to build habits. When you build a habit, something that action becomes very natural for you. That's really the definition of a habit. Before things are a habit, you're forcing yourself. You don't want to be forcing yourself. So what you want to do is work on creating habits. The way you start to create habits is baby steps. Maybe changing up your environment a little bit. Maybe, after a workout, not going right to eat. Maybe give yourself a little time. Maybe don't, or whatever the environmental change that you need to make it so that you can start having these little baby step actions that you can regularly start doing, and then they can just become sort of your pattern, your life, and it's just gonna be so natural and effortless over just a little bit of time. Usually it takes like the first few days are the hardest, but once you kind of start doing something, you realize, oh, it's not so bad, and then you just keep doing it. And once something becomes a habit, like doing a little bit of activity, maybe going for a walk after lunch, you just maybe after a while you'll be doing it, and then you'll start missing it, or exercising any time of the day, and after a while you'll start missing it. It will become a habit to exercise because it will be like a part of your day. Or maybe, sort of when you're in the store, maybe your habit will be to maybe not get as many snacks as you would have otherwise, right? Maybe just catch yourself mentally on what kind of things you're buying, right? And then see what if you put away that ice cream, don't take that ice cream, or don't take that other snack, and instead take some apples and whatever. And it's not going to be as fun. I know, I love snacks myself, but this is something that you have to do. And then over time, you will sort of, when you go back to the same store, and you will be like, wow, I used to make my way down this aisle and grab the ice cream and the cookies and the chocolate and everything. But now maybe you're just grabbing one of those things or none of those things, right? And that makes a really big difference, because you don't want to ruin your exercises, or even, just ruin your daily diet. It's very easy to do, because one snack here, another snack there, another snack there, it doesn't seem like a lot, but it can be like up to 1,000 calories, right? Some snacks, they're pretty caloric, and it's easy to just kind of swallow them and not think about it. So what you want to do is really look at your unhealthy habits, how you shop, how you eat, how you cook, how you go out, the things you consume during all those things, right? And then try to tackle some of them and start to focus on building a healthier habit around that action. And as you do that, you'll just get a healthier lifestyle. So it's not going to be a lot of work, and it's not really going to damage your fun that much, and you'll have a lot of fun when you start seeing like pounds come off. Because if you get ice cream regularly, or some cookies, or you have like your dessert of choice that you love, and then maybe, but it's damaging you, right? It's damaging your effort. So what you want to do is kind of think about, maybe start getting that out of your habit, and then the fun that used to be eating that snack will be different fun. It will be like looking at yourself in the mirror and go like, ooh, looking good, looking nice. And that's really fun, and that builds actually momentum and gives you confidence, and then you're twice as strong tomorrow and the day after. So work on noticing your unhealthy habits and really focus on making them healthier habits over time.